because we throw the waste of the kitchen to all of these plants. Then we take the food we need to eat from these plants to cook in the kitchen. Now if I can grow these plants, you too can grow plants and keep a garden at your home. Let's see what are the plants in our garden. These are some flowering plants we have at the garden. These are called as the white crysanths. They are also called as the mums. These are the yellow crysanths. We use these for the puja in the puja room. These are one more type of ornamental flowers we have at our terrace garden. This is the jasmine plant. Now some vegetables that grow in our garden. Wow, the tomatoes. They are absolutely fertilizer free. We also have some chili plants in our garden. This is a small lemon plant yet to give us some lemons. This is a pomegranate plant. Wow, I'm waiting for it to become big. Wow, now for some fresh greens. This is the mint. We use mint leaves in our kitchen. If we put the sticks after using the mint, we can grow more mint leaves. These are the Brahmi leaves. Elder people at home say that if we eat this, it's good for our memory. And I love eating them fresh and raw. This is one more variety of greens that we have at home. My mother cooks this with dal. Now my favorite, the Mexican mint. It's very good for our throat and it's very good when we eat it raw. Now I'm sure everyone knows the tulsi plant. It's very good for the health. And this is the turmeric plant. It's very good antiseptic. Oh, I'm very sure everyone wants to have this plant at home. Aloe vera. This is an excellent hair care and skin care plant. And last but not the least, the mehendi plant. Mehendi leaves are very good for the hair. My granny has just picked some mehendi leaves out from the plant. You can use it as a hair dye and it's absolutely chemical free. This is the bucket my granny puts the kitchen waste in and closes it for a few days. This is the most smelliest part of the garden due to the release of a gas called biogas. But after a few days, these act as an excellent manure for plants to grow. We use this waste to grow our plants in an organic way. Finally, we can see what are the benefits of the terrace garden or the kitchen garden. Firstly, plants release the life-giving gas oxygen. Next, we get fresh chemical-free fruits, vegetables and greens. Thirdly, we have the medicinal herbs that keep us healthy. Fourthly, it's an excellent hobby and a means of relaxation. And finally, we can practice the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. We can reduce the use of chemically grown plants. We can reuse old containers as pots to grow these plants. We can recycle the kitchen waste and give it back to the plants as manure. If you enjoyed watching my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.